YouTube, welcome back to Recoildistrict. My name is Jay, and it's June 1st, so I figured let's go ahead and do a summer EDC setup. I haven't posted in a while. I've been doing some other personal things and doing shorts and stuff like that. So I got a couple of videos in the vault that I'm gonna be dropping, but I figured I'll go ahead and do a summer EDC video. It is June 1st, summertime, as y'all know. So we're gonna be wearing some thinner clothes, whether go to the beach or just be out and about. It's hot in Texas, especially Houston with all the humidity. So here we go. A lot of the times I wear basketball shorts. So basketball shorts, you can't really, I mean, I got like 19 FN, stuff like that. If you really want to carry it, you can, but I try to move as light as possible. Since I wear basketball shorts a lot, especially in the summertime. This is new. I just got this a few weeks ago. This is a Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0. As y'all know, the first gen was more, they pretty much redid the whole design, and I love it. It fits my hand. Let's go ahead and show you it's clear. This is my pocket carrier. I got a little pocket holster. I do have a appendix holster coming in from, I don't even know how to pronounce it. I think it's, Jesus Christ, Hilliker holsters. I already got one for my 43X, and I should be having one for my 365 getting delivered any day now, but I just ordered one for this one also. I don't see myself really putting this on the waistband, but hey, I'd rather have it not needed than needed and not have it. So this is 380. It does come with a 10 rounder and a 12 round mag. I did order an extra 12 round mag, and I ordered this little thing. This is unloaded, there's nothing in the chamber, but I'm gonna just show y'all. See how kind of comes out a little bit, you know, pushes your pinky up some, especially with the flush mag. It does, I like it. I love it. Very light. Half the time I don't even know I got it on me because it's extremely light. So I do carry this a lot, especially when basketball shorts, going to the store, run to the gas station real quick, or going outside to take the trash, or just gonna go check the mail, whatever. 9 out of 10, I'm gonna have this one on me. Love this gun. All right, next, daytime EDC. Daytime and nighttime me does switch up, but this is my daytime EDC. This is a 365 from SIG with a Tyrant CNC snub nose grip module. The reason why I got this, for one, it fits a lot better grip versus the regular one. You know, the regular grip on the original one is real smaller, so you know. But this one, I love this grip. This grip came out at the end of last year, and I just found out about it about 2 months ago. Immediately ordered it when I seen it. Show you it's clear. Nothing in there. So now this longer grip, it does hold the regular 3 mags. It's like the 10s and the 12 round mags. Those don't fit in it. You know, they don't go in here anymore. You put them in there, but it ain't gonna go all the way up to the slide like it needs to lock on. So with this grip, it holds the macro mags, 17 rounders. Love it. They do have mag extensions +3. I might end up getting one. I just haven't ordered yet. I got like 40s, the macro mags. I love this setup. Love it. I don't really like long slides for EDC, especially since I carry like around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, just depending on what I got going on. Sometimes straight up 12, just depending on what I got going on. So it has a shorter slide. Like I said, this is the factory 365 slide because I had a 365X before I switched this grip out. So I love it. It's perfect. Like I said, this is a daytime EDC, so I don't have a light on here because it's daytime. I don't need a light in daytime. So put that to the side. All right, Glock 43X. It's clear. This is what I carry at nighttime, especially in the summertime. Just depending on what I got going on, whether it's dinner or just going out and about at nighttime. Gotta have a light. So this is my setup. This is a 507K, and I'm sorry, this is a 407K on this one. So it's a 407, it's a 507K. Love the lights. Both, of course, got suppressor height, night sights. I don't really like the dots back here. I'd rather just have one dot in the front, have this blank. So that's how I pretty much am running all my guns. So, of course, I got both of them have ballistic advantage threaded barrels. because I do have suppressors, and I'm probably gonna end up getting another 9mm suppressor. I already have 2, but I think I'm gonna grab one more. So another thing, I don't really see myself carrying a suppressor on one of these on EDC, but hey, I'd rather have it, not need it, than need it, not have it. Now, I do run S15 shield arm mags on these, so it'll be a 15+1. And my spare mag on this one is a shield arms mag, but it has the +5 base plate mag extension. So I got basically 36 rounds. So I love it, works for me. Like I say in all my videos, these are my preferences. This is how I roll. You can run one gun if you want, that's cool, but this is just how I like to run my stuff, and this is what I want to do with what I got going on. So appreciate y'all again. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick video. About to get up out of here. I gotta go back on the road. So I appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all. Appreciate it, man. Don't forget, check the link. Got merch. Selling some cool shirts. I already dropped one design. I'm about to drop another one. So y'all watch out for that. And man, appreciate y'all. Peace.